Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name's Claire. I have got another unboxing for February and it is a Glossybox. And the theme of this one is to do with skiing. That's all I remember. There is a QR code in here which I'll be able to scan and tell you more. But if you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more, then as always, carry on watching. But if not, you just want to get straight into the unboxing, you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments. You're free to flick forward. All details related to this box and discount codes and any other offers Glossybox have running. They've got a Valentine's box. I'll pop it down below in the description, as well as all my other discount codes off different websites and any giveaways I've got running. You'll find it all down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so this is Glossybox UK. There are other Glossyboxes around, but what you're seeing is Glossybox UK. This is kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. There's a few options if you want to subscribe. A one-off monthly rolling subscription will cost you £14.75, or you've got the option to sign up for a 12-month subscription and pay monthly, and that will cost you £11.50 a month. A 6-month subscription up front is £69, which works out to be £11.50 a month, or a 12-month subscription paid up front will cost you £130, but that would bring down the cost to about £10.80 a month. Inside you find 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty: skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, body care. Sometimes we've had some freebies in there as well. Every month there's a theme. You'll see there's a little card inside and it has a QR code, so you're able to scan it, and you've got a little booklet then related to all the products in the box, and sometimes a little sneak peek for the following month as well. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But yeah, let's get on to seeing what's inside the February box. So it looks like... Okay, you're not going to be able to see much there, but here's the QR code. That's it, Après Chic. That's the theme for this month. I knew it was something to do with skiing. Après Chic party will have you well prepared for the chilly season ahead and will no doubt offer a refreshing reset, ready for on the slopes or relaxing at home. There looks like there's some variations in here. 4 items which we'll receive 2 of. I usually get press releases, but I haven't received a press release for a long while. Not that I can remember anyway. So I can't tell you, sorry. I don't know the details behind it all. But I can show you what you might get anyway as we go through the box. But we'll start off with the 3 that it looks like everyone will receive. Oh my gosh, Rodial Dragon's Blood Edit. Is that a limited edition or exclusive collection with luxury premium skincare brand Rodial? Yes, yes. It's going to be worth £164, and it doesn't say when it's coming out, but I'm assuming it's very soon. As soon as I hear anything, I'll post it up everywhere, all over my socials. Instagram, Facebook, community tab on YouTube, everywhere. TikTok maybe. So yeah, a Rodial box, that'd be exciting. So the sneak peek for our March box then. No picture, not telling us what it is, but it's all about dreamy days, romantic makeup and delicate fragrances. And skincare as light as a feather. That's all it says. See? That's all it says. We got a Gatineau Paris. This is a Hydra Aura water cream. Long-lasting hydration for plump, radiant skin with Barbary Fig, Velvet Seaweed and Vitamin E. And there's 30 mils there. Apply morning and evening over the face and neck and eye area. It hasn't got a seal on it, so I'll have a little try my hand. I love a water cream. Nice and light, blends into the skin, really lovely. I'm thinking of one of my favourites, Clinique Moisture Surge. Oh, I really like it. I don't know why I'm wearing a Fitbit. The battery went flat last night. It's nearly a day later, still got it on my arm. Oh, the smell is lovely. It's really subtle, but yeah, it smells lovely. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £19.99. And it goes on to tell you what I read off the front here, and it says to pack your skin with hydration and leave it feeling soft, silky and smooth. So we got a moisturiser. Next we've got a body lotion. This is by This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. And there's 50 mils here. It's got a seal, I won't open it, but it's a body cream. You're supposed to massage it onto your hands and body and inhale the aromas, so then you're nice and relaxed and ready for sleep or to de-stress. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £12.50. The Body Cocoon offers a unique blend of 4 botanical oils to nourish and support your skin's barrier, whilst the lavender, chamomile and vetiver fragrance will promote a restful and relaxing night's sleep. So there's that. Next we've got a palette. Always excited for a makeup palette. This is by Sophia and Mabel, and it's an Umpery Chic eyeshadow palette. Ooh, you might not be able to see there. Filming at night again. Actually, I've not long come home from Swansea. Swansea is what, about an hour drive away from where I live in West Wales. Oh my god, what a letdown. The boys went to watch footy match and me and my daughter just had a wander around town. I used to love going to Swansea as a teenager. Loads and loads and loads of shops. It has really, really gone downhill. Oh, it's a shame. So yeah, no, I won't bother again. If I'm going to travel an hour or so to go shopping, then I might as well just head on up towards Cardiff, which is, what, another 40-minute drive. Cardiff is lovely. Cardiff's amazing. I love shopping in Cardiff. Yeah. Anyway, so I thought I would come home and do an unboxing for you because I'm not going to be here tomorrow. So there's the shades. Let's do some swatches. Have we had makeup from this brand before? The name rings a bell. The shades are nice. Nice warm shades there. I love the copper. They're really pretty. This is full size and retails for £15. Sophie and Mabel have got you covered with a special design Après Chic eyeshadow palette. This beautiful array in soft nude shades will provide the perfect addition for electrifying your eyelids. I would have thought we'd have more cooler tones. Just thinking ski, cold, winter, like cooler tones like lilacs, blues and taupes. Maybe more of a cooler palette really. That would make more sense to me. Pretty shades, but you know, they're very warm, aren't they? Then we go on to the either or. So you'll either receive what I've got, which is a teeth whitening pen by Pro White, which is full size, or you'll receive a full size Regenerate toothpaste. I do really like that toothpaste actually. It's a really, really great toothpaste. I know a lot of you think putting toothpastes into beauty boxes is a cop-out. I know you do. But for me personally, yeah, I can see where you're coming from, but I do actually really like Regenerate. It just works nice on my teeth, so I wouldn't mind that at all. I have actually got one of these and I haven't used it yet, so I'm hoping it really, really works. So then, you know, I've got 2 of them. I just haven't got around to doing it yet because I've been sorting out all my beauty stuff since Christmas with all the advent calendars and limited edition boxes, so I need to try some things out. So this is by Pro White. It's full size teeth whitening pen. It's worth £15 with a speedy and convenient application, minimises tooth stains and gain pearly whites at home with the safe peroxide free product. So if you don't get that, you'll receive the toothpaste, and that's full size, and that's £13.50. Can you see there? I know the ring light on with the lights. There might be a bit of flashiness. Whoop, bit of flashiness. There. You're supposed to brush your teeth, dry your teeth, twist pen to dispose gel, smile wide, apply the gel onto teeth, rinse mouth with water, no eating or drinking for 30 minutes. Tooth whitening pen there. And then lastly, you'll either receive what I've got here, which is a Wild Science Lab Head First Scalp Shampoo, which is worth £6. Have a shower with a difference with this Head First Scalp Shampoo containing CBD and hemp seed oil. Relieve your scalp from any irritation, itching or redness to provide a happy environment for your hair. So you'll either receive this, or you will receive a Glow On Fifth, and it's a lip dew tinted balm, and that's a deluxe size worth £12.49. Just says smooth and soothe your lips with this lip dew tinted lip balm from Glow On Fifth. Take this onto the slopes to keep your lips ultra hydrated day and night. Blech. So you'll either receive that or that. That's a bit of a weird one for me. I always prefer to have a shampoo and a conditioner. It's a little bit of a weird one for me, this category. It's either not around the same value. There's a big difference in price. But secondly, I got a bit of a thing about receiving a shampoo without a conditioner or vice versa. I prefer to have them both because that's how I buy my shampoos and conditioners. I can't have a shampoo from one brand and a conditioner from another. I can't do it. They have to be the same. But yeah, this sounds nice. Scalp relief shampoo. But yeah, I'm just gutted that we haven't got a conditioner in there as well. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossy box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a relaxing body cream. We've got Gatineau Paris Hydra Aura, a water cream, some moisturiser. We've got an eyeshadow palette by Sophia and Mabel. Then I got a Pro White Tooth Whitening pen. And lastly, a Leaf and Seed Relief CBD Scalp Shampoo. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products in this box? Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to receive your box? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I, subscribe? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.